Final year students, I'm telling you a latest news regarding your examination. You won't listen that you will be promoted in next class, so which I show you in thumbnail. But I won't tell you clearly that you will not promote in next class. Please don't mind it. This is true. You know what? What was date today? Yesterday. Yesterday was hearing date of yours, and 31 petitions has been submitted before. But what happened? What was consultation? What was conclusion? Indeed, I'm clearing. I'm telling you that Justice Ashok ji, Justice Reddy ji, and one another justice was there. I don't remember that name, but they told to UGC and all students that examination will be held according to UGC. I'm telling you because of court had been adjourned the next date, and the next date is 10th of August 2020, as you know. Okay, and according to symbols, according to undergrad commission, I can confirm you 100% that your examination will be conduct. Definitely your examination will be conduct in month of September. Okay, you know what, many universities has declared their date sheet, and before 10th of August they will take examination. They can take examination, university can take examination. Okay, because of there is no any restriction according to Supreme Court, and there is no any restriction in Supreme Court conversation. If you will talk, there was no any restriction because of the Supreme Court has denied for interim decision. So Supreme Court said that uh, Supreme Court said that Home Ministry will take decision regarding it. They will confirm, then Supreme Court will order some news whatever will be on 10th of August. So clearly I'm telling you, don't think your examination will be postponed because of some students are in favor of that examination should be we have to appear exam. And some students, we will see in other hand, then some students want that examination should be not conduct. Then there is 50-50% ratio. What will be decision during coronavirus? So UGC according to undergrad commission, UGC said that examination should be conduct because of this is final year matter. And after final year your stream will change. You will go for a new job, you can do something new. So your examination should be conduct according to UGC. So students, now finally listen. Your examination will be going on, your examination will be conduct in first week of September, in month of September. This is final decision I'm telling you. And after 10th of August, I don't know what will be conclusion, but UGC clearly said that don't think so that your examination will be not conduct. You have to prepare, do hard work. And what will be mode, offline mode or online mode, it's not clear still now, but it can your examination can be taken offline mode or online mode, whatever will be situation, or what will be availability with the universities. that etc etc, then university can conduct your examination in online mode or offline mode also. If a university have some facilities for online mode, then university can conduct your examination online mode, like Delhi University. If any university have no any availability facilities, then it will not conduct. So we proper preparation, you have to do proper preparation. Examination will be online mode or offline mode. What happened, what will happen? Nothing. Just you do your preparation, nothing will happen. You are thinking you will promote in next class. No, no, no. Because of we got signals, we are reading a lot of newspaper, a lot of newses. So I can tell you, and don't think so, don't think more, and just prepare yourself for your examination, final year examination. And if you visited in this channel first time, please subscribe this channel. And this is my duty, I'm telling you, I'm repeating you in every video. And if you want, then you can subscribe this channel and you can press bell icon. You will get latest update regarding universities, results, exams, etc etc. So thank you, thanks for